Today I'm going to show you this Microdermabrasion kit. And in here we have this machine, which is the white version. You can get it in white, black, or pink. This is the white version. Let me get this open. This is just a nice at-home Microdermabrasion. There is a user's manual. Here's our different tips. Let's get those out here. There's a lot of options here as far as tips are concerned. There you have your little diamond ends there. That's great for the forehead, your cheeks, and all the different styles there. You can practice with the larger tips or the smaller tips. Then you have your glass tips there. And then here is your main unit. There's where you're going to plug it in. So let's get that started. So this charges with this USB-C, so we're going to pull that out, and then we're good to go. If it's your first time using one of these, you want to start on the lowest setting. We'll just turn that on. There you go. There's your lowest, and you can change the setting. So there are 3 different settings. You got your low, medium, and high. So we'll go turn that off again. And again, there are 12 different diamond heads, and then there's also the plastic heads. The diamond heads are good for exfoliating, and then the plastic heads are good for opening your pores, clearing out your pores, so that if you're putting any treatments or moisturizers on, it helps that to soak in a little better. So first you're going to do the Microderm with the diamond heads. So I'm going to use this widest one. You can mess with this however you want to. I'm using the widest head. And then you also have these little filters here that you're going to put on right on the tip, and then you put this over it. So I'm going to get a filter out. So here's our little filter. We're just going to put that right on the end like that. And then we're just going to put this one right onto here. And that just kind of keeps your head clean so that any of the little skin particles and things, because this is basically removing your dead skin. It's got that diamond grit there. So basically like a diamond grit sandpaper for your face. You're going to want to do this if you don't want to do it if you have like active acne or any broken capillaries, things like that. You want to just do it on some clean skin. This is a preventative care. So you're going to do this to keep your skin good. You maybe do it weekly, something like that. It's very lightweight, so you can travel with it if you need to. And you're always going to go inward and out with your treatment and hold your skin firm so it helps. Again, we're going to start here with the lowest setting like that. And then we're just going to go here. I'm going to start on my forehead, honestly. We'll just go right out. And it might leave your hair, it might leave your skin red after you use it, but it'll go away within an hour or two. The more you use it, the more, well, see there, you held it to the skin a little too strongly there. So I'll give a little suction cup there. And again, that's because I wasn't really holding my skin well. There we go. And then you can do your nose as well. I always have the worst open pores on my nose. You can always use a smaller tip. We're going to switch this out and go to a smaller frame there. So we're going to go to this one. This is a little smaller. We're just going to screw that on there. Kept the same filter on it. Didn't need to change the filter out. All right, let's try this again. Back on the low setting. It feels really good though. It feels like you're like cleaning your face, getting all that extra dead cells off of there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use your moisturizer after this to help. That's definitely moving a lot better there for me. I already did my forehead, so let's do my chin line here. You're going to hold your skin as well. So then there you have it when you're done. Just turn the power off. And it gives a nice clean feeling to your face. Definitely feels like you had a nice scrub. And here you can see the filter there shows you all of the grime that you were able to get off, all the dead cells and grime that you were able to get off of your face. So you can tell that it's definitely working there. So check it out. If you're looking for a nice, compact, lightweight Microdermabrasion, you don't have to spend a lot of money going to the actual beautician. You can just take care of it on your own. Check it out.